Hi guys, Justin Terhune here, and we are back with another video. Today's video is going to be more of an introductory video, and we're going to be talking about Inaba Denko America's Slimduct PD. Most of our videos have been about the SD, but I want to introduce you to the PD, okay? Now you'll notice right off the bat, it does have the same sleek appearance that you're used to with most Inaba Denko products, the same durable construction, and the same compact design that has allowed us to accommodate multiple applications in our industry, okay? Now this is more of a commercial or heavy or large residential, I should say, application. You'll typically see this on the side of a building or on a rooftop with large residential, whether it's high-rise apartments or condos, or you'll see it on a lot of VRV, VRF applications, okay? Standard installs that you'll see are the wall type applications, ceiling type applications, and deck style applications, all right? Now this does come in 3 different sizes. We've got our 3.5, our 4 5/8, and our 5 3/8, okay? This product, it blends in with most commercial environments, which really helps to maintain the building's value. A lot of the other outdated line sets or jacketings, whether they're exposed or sheet metal, A, they're unattractive, and B, they tend to degrade the building's value. It is the same durable PVC that we're used to. It's UV stabilized, it is weather resistant and fire retardant, just like the SD, and it is the same top quality material that you guys are used to getting with Inaba Denko America products. I would highly encourage you to check out the full PD line offering at inabadenko-america.com. As always, if you found the video either helpful or informative, we really encourage you to give us a like here. And please follow us on LinkedIn and Instagram. That's where we love to keep you up to date with what's new in the industry and a lot of times what's new in your area. So please stay in touch, like the video, and we'll see you next time.